I know you do. You're a gentleman. All right, here we go. Amada HA250 W, serial number 253-50287. Demo running it. It has the upgraded to the variable speed drive on it. So that does away with the pulleys and all that. It gets broken a lot. Has the electric chip conveyor. Two-piece vices, clamps the material on both sides. The digital readout on the blade drive. This is how many feeds it does. This is how many pieces it does. Piece count. We got it set up to do 2 on this job. Walk around it a little bit. We're going slow. I don't want to break the blade or anything. Got new coolant lines, any hoses, any wires that were stiff are replaced. The bearings, all the bearings up in these arms have been replaced. Arms have been completely disassembled and cleaned out. New bearings on the wheels underneath there. Cylinders get looked at. Put seals in them if they need them, rebuild them if needed. All these vices have been rebuilt, everything has been taken apart and cleaned, measured. Machine's recalibrated and adjusted to cut straight. The blade length, not the blade length, the material length has been adjusted. We got it on low feed, so it takes a little bit after it comes through the part. Feed forward, down feed, over here. Chip conveyor has been completely disassembled and checked out. The bottom base has been completely cleaned out, resealed. There's the blade drive. The whole variable drive assembly is now gone. Is replaced by these 2 belts and an AC variable drive motor. That's a newer motor. And there's your AC drive unit. Sewn enclosed box. We do have a cover for the belt. And we're cutting through the second piece. Every function of the saw has been checked. We're not into the bottom yet. I think think that was it going through. Should stop now. Oh, the first cut is a facing cut. So when you put it in for 2 cuts, it makes 3. Because it assumes you're cutting off the end of the bar to get it square. Alright, there you go. It's done cutting. Walk around it again. Thanks for viewing.